With homebuyers facing a possible interest rate rise before the election, it now looks like rates could keep rising into 2012. That's according to the latest business outlook from Access Economics. It's bad news for states like New South Wales, which is among the nation's worst economic performers. Here's Phil Lasker.
Global interest rate pressure won't be coming from here. A US economy still struggling. In Washington, thousands of desperate homeowners turned up to a mass meeting with their bankers. They were pleading for more time to pay their debts.
There's millions of homeowners out there who are determined to keep their homes, who will do anything to keep their homes. And everyone has tried to work with their lender and failed.
And there could be 1 million foreclosures this year.
We've been dealing with this issue with our mortgage company for over a year now, so by this time we've
ready to throw in the towel.
Yeah, we're ready to get rid of it anyway.
It's not expected to count for much when the Reserve Bank meets to consider an election interest rate hike next week because its focus is elsewhere.
Continued growth out of Asia, continued demand for our commodities. We're going to continue to see the strong investment coming through in the mining sector in particular and also in infrastructure that will warrant higher interest rates. So we've got another 100 to 150 points of rate hikes over the next 12 to 18 months.
The Reserve Bank decision will be made a little easier by the outcome of the European bank stress test, which showed most of the banks could weather a deeper debt crisis. It calmed the markets.
It means the Reserve Bank can focus on what they need to do, and that's look at the Australian economy, our economic circumstances and what they need to do for the Australian economy. So I think in that respect, the stress tests have really removed that international flashpoint for the Reserve Bank ahead.
The domestic flashpoint arrives on Wednesday with the June quarter consumer price index, which some say will show underlying